How to add Amazon reviews to your Shopify store. Here, from the left hand side, we will first go to apps and we will search for Fera. Press enter. This will take us to the App Store and we can add this extension here, Fera Product Reviews app. Just click on it and click on install. This will refer us back to the Shopify page and we will be able to see this option to install it at the bottom. So just click on install, give it some time to load up, and it's going to look like this. So right here, we don't really have to create an account. We can go to reviews directly and we can click on add review. So here you will be given some options to import or sync, to write manually or ask customers. For this, we will import or sync. And you will be able to see this option for Amazon reviews. So if we click on here, then it's going to look like this. And we have to select manage. And it will open up a new page. So first, if it's not connected to your website, then you will need to click on manage here and connect it to your Shopify. And then you need to set the Amazon region. So for me, I'm going to do Amazon.com, so the US version. And after we have changed it, we will click on save. And here, it's going to tell us that the next step is actually adding the number, so the product number here. I'm going to show you how you can find it. So basically, right here, you will click on add and you can search for a product. So you can do mouse pad. But if it doesn't pop up, then you will need to add the code itself. So I'm just going to show you. I'm going to change this. Okay. So the product code, basically, if we go to Amazon and we choose a product, so for example, this one, Get Polished Transparent Gel, you will need to locate this 10-digit code after /DP. So it's going to look like this. It's going to be 10 digits and we want to copy this code and we go back and we paste this code here and then we can save it. So we can also search for image. Okay, this image was auto-located and then I'm going to click on save and it's going to sync this now, and now it will verify the product and we can sell it or add reviews to our Shopify website. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and a sub and I'll see you next time.